2010 Chevrolet Malibu. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with an efficient 4-cylinder engine. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive, connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.